we are at an accumulation stage right now. We are probably going to go sideways here for a bit. We may drop down a little bit lower. I now know exactly where the targets are, the thresholds for Bitcoin, where you need to pay attention to. Okay.
I'm not a financial advisor.
We told you $98,000 was a very important number. The next number, well, we've already hit it, is $108,000. So now that we've pierced that, and the reason why that's done, and that will be done in $10,000 increments afterwards, $118,000, $128,000, $138,000. And the reason why that is done is because obviously they control the market, duh, okay? So when you understand that, those eights are going to be test points. They're going to see how strong is this at this threshold. Do we need to break this levy? Do we need to push some resistance down? Is it too strong? They're going to use it to kind of control where Bitcoin's going. And that's why I would really say once Bitcoin gets at $128,000, man, you should really start thinking about, because if Bitcoin goes up to 150 and you pulled your profits at 128, people in the bear market are going to say you were a freaking hero. Like, you killed it. You crushed it if you did that. Okay. So I would really watch that number, 128. I would leave some in. At 138, I would pull everything. I would be done. I would be out. So that's a little inside information for you guys. I'm able to watch some of these market moves that I've been told are happening. I watch them happen in real time. I can't give you a lot of that privileged information, obviously, but I will tell you that we are right now with Bitcoin piercing $108,000 and having a retrace. We are in accumulation stage. They're going to measure the momentum, and they're going to see what they need to do to get the momentum strong enough to break the 8 and then go up to 118. So I think you can expect Bitcoin to probably be around $120,000 by the end of this year. I think that is probably about where we'll be. And then it will be make or break time. Do we have a major retrace for multiple months, or do we have quick consolidation and go up to 140? Because if we do that, we're not hitting a new all-time high in the back half of this bull run, in my opinion. We'll see. So the point is let me tell you something people are missing. And this is the kind of context you get when you're here with us that you don't get other places. They don't understand it. These other channels, they don't understand it. They don't have the information. They don't have the context. They haven't been here long enough. When you look at a chart like SWE, buying in right now, it should scare the F out of you, right? When you are just looking at the price here and you're looking at, man, when we were telling you to buy this thing at almost the very bottom, 43 cents, and you see where this thing has gotten to up here, you know, it almost hit $5, okay? And you understand that right now we might be in an accumulation zone. This is good for us. We're going to need to see it go sideways here a little bit. But I want to tell you why, in my opinion, that SWE, outside of this little micro top we're in right now, is still a good buy. I think when it gets down below the $4 price again, or around the $4 price, I think it's a great buy, okay? Now, here's why. This is not what I'll call a Caspa pump. The Caspa people hate me so much now. I'm their new villain. I'm the new Caspa villain. You know, I'm the people the ADA people hate the most outside of Alex Becker, maybe. And they hated me even when I love the coin. And anyways, but whatever. Look, Caspa's not going to do anything like super significant in the world. It's not changing anything in the world. And people aren't going to be like building dApps on it, right? And I'm using that as an example. I'm not going to pick on Caspa anymore. I'm not trying to really be their villain. I've already accomplished that, so I can move on to the next coin to be a villain of. But the point is, Polkadot, for instance, nobody's building on Polkadot, right? Nobody cares about that. Nobody is doing significant things in a lot of coins. They're in the top 50 even, okay? SWE is the next big player in the industry. You don't understand, okay?